All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a scatter plot and run a regression in Desmos. The first thing that you want to do, obviously, is open up your Desmos file. And then, right, to enter in your data, you're going to need to go to this add item plus sign and choose a table. And then you should have your data already collected. You're going to put your first variable in column X here and your second variable in column Y. Today's data that I have are ACT English scores and math scores. And I'm going to put English scores in the X column and math scores in the Y column. Now, once you have all your data in, remember that you should have some matched data here. So all of this, the amount in X, whatever your X column is, should match what's in your Y column. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how to zoom in onto that scatter plot. So once you have your data entered, you'll see in the box here, you should see this magnifying, this zoom fit option. If you click on that or tap it, it should zoom in and you should have all your data points plotted. Again, you can change your colors by long tapping this option up here, so we can change it different colors, or even change what the points look like, including the size of the points. You can also label your X and Y axes by going to the wrench in the top right corner for graph settings. So we can see that we have the ACT math scores on the Y-axis and ACT reading scores on the X-axis. The next thing you're going to want to do is run a regression analysis. To do that, going back to your entry here with the table, you should see a button up here, right, that adds regression. So with that regression, again, you can change the color of it if you'd like. Here's the equation. Remember that it's not in context, so that you should add the context within your own problem. And then we have our R squared and R value. If that button was not available, you could always go to the second entry and type in the following. If you type this expression into the entry, you'll get the same results. Some older Desmos graphing calculators will require this rather than running the regression or having that button that was on the option on the top there. So that will conclude our how to make a regression and a scatter plot of your bivariate data. Thanks.